2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, security system, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, power driver's seat, convenience package, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.